Stop! Right now, you're hearing the sound from the future and sounds that already died.
This ambulance is not just making noise, it is stretching and squeezing the sound itself. Watch this.
I am Hanaf, and everything you think about sound is a lie.
When it races toward me, it steals sound from its own future, casting them into your present. When it leaves, you hear the ghost.
This same physics control the entire universe.
Light is a wave too. When galaxies race away at millions of kilometers per hour, they can catch up to their own light, so the waves stretch longer, shifting to blue to red, like the universe playing its symphony in slow motion. In 1929, Edwin Hubble discovered every galaxy was fleeing from us. The farther away, the faster they run.
But if everything's moving apart, now imagine winding time.
Galaxies get closer and closer until 1.8 billion years ago, everything in the universe was squeezed into one single point. That is when it all began, the Big Bang.
Ambulance and demonstrate the exact same physics that revealed how was our universe born.
Every Doppler shift around you proves comic expansion. Your heartbeat, train whistles, all dancing to the universe rhythm.
Doppler's discovery now map dark matter, find exoplanet, and listen to the heartbeat of distant pulsars.
Next time you hear that siren, remember you are listening to the same phenomenon of mapping cosmics.
The universe has been singing its secrets all along.
We just needed to know how to listen.